We are at the Bennett farm near Fremont. As you can see, it's a little bit foggy this morning, but all in all, a pretty nice summer morning. The Bennetts have a pretty significant pig raising operation here, and Aaron and Scott Oosting are out jogging a couple of their colts.
You guys coming to the auction tonight? I think I might.
Aaron just finished jogging one of their colts. Aaron and Leslie are bringing in the yearlings. A little bit foggy this morning, but it's starting to burn off, so it looks like a pretty nice summer day.
Both of these colts are selling in Lexington in October. This is Haymaker, and Leslie's got Banker's Folly. That's Hallucination. He's selling in Ontario. This is, I'm grabbing Ben's Rocket, and Leslie's getting Valhalla Hall. Now this is Cinderella Smiles. And Magic Tread, who's a little full of herself this morning.
This is Jessica and Morgan. Jessica is keeping an eye on things today. All the horses are in, and looks like it's going to be a nice summer day.
This is our grain handling facility. With our corn and soybeans, in certain years our wheat comes through this facility. We dry the corn down to 15% moisture, put it in these grain bins that have a fully aerated floor on them, and we run air on them to keep it fresh. We sell it to local markets that use it to feed the cattle and the hogs and chickens and turkeys, everything in the area. We have enough room on the farm here to store 100,000 bushels of corn or soybeans. This is our large square baler. It puts out a 3 foot by 3 foot by 8 foot long square bale, just a large version of your traditional small square bale. We do a lot of custom baling in about a 50-mile radius of the farm. Concentrate on mostly dairy farmers that want their hay put up in a certain way. It takes a 180 horse tractor to operate this baler. This particular piece of equipment is it's called a DCX 131. We use it to cut and help to process our hay. It's different than the traditional hay bind. It's a disc bind that has small blades that spin, and it has two large rolls together that crimp the hay to crack the stems of the alfalfa to help the alfalfa dry faster. Another thing we do here on the farm is we bag a lot of corn in 50-pound bags or 40-pound bags and sell it for animal feed. We also sell it for people to heat their homes with. So we have a bagging system here that you pull this lever, it's set to a certain weight, fills that bag to that certain weight, the conveyor takes it through the sewing machine, put it on a pallet, and sell it, like I said, to people that heat their homes with it is the biggest thing. We also sell a fair amount of what we call triple cleaned oats. As part of our farm, we have a hog finishing facility. We finish 4,000 hogs at any one time. I don't know if I finish, I mean we raise 4,000 hogs at any one time. We raise about 12,000 hogs total throughout the year. This barn right now has 4,000 hogs in it. As you can hear in the background, there's 36 fans, the biggest one being 54 inches in diameter, and I think the smallest one is 30 inches in diameter. And on a warm day like today, they'll all be running full speed, so it's shady in there. There's lots of nice fresh cool air going across the pigs, and very comfortable for them. You can see the feed bins off to the side here. They've got feed and water in front of them at all times. The water is cycled so it's fresh at all times. It's a heated facility in the winter, and the advantage to us, not only with raising the hogs, is the manure, the nutrients that we use to grow 700 acres of corn every year. Well, we're most of the Bennetts. We're missing Travis. Travis is at the county fair on barn duty today, but I'm Aaron. This is my wife Leslie. This is Samantha, Caitlin, and Jessica. We farm in Fremont, Michigan. We're on a Michigan Centennial farm, which means the farm's been in the family for over 100 years. We got our Centennial status in the late 70s. We currently have about 20 standardbreds on the farm, some yearlings, some mares, some weanlings that were born this spring, 4 horses in training, 7 yearlings that we're prepping for sales this fall. People always ask me, what generation horseman are you? And I tell them, well, this ground was all cleared with horses, so I guess we're the 5th generation. We've been really fortunate. We've bred some great horses over the years. My dad bred a lot of really nice trotters, Babes 5-6, Ben's River, Dance, Bankers, Jackpot. The horse industry has blessed us a lot. It's been a great way to raise a family. We've been able to employ some people full-time for several years. The greatest part of the horse industry is that, to me, it's probably that every aspect of it I can do with my family.